Hey friends! Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, we've got a brand new challenge to give your observation skills a real workout. Get ready for 15 epic emoji puzzles. So if you're ready, tap that subscribe button, grab your game face, and let's jump right into the emoji mayhem. Let's warm up. Find the odd joy emoji. It's crying a little too hard to be joyful. Now, can you spot the real poop emoji? Yes, it's the one on the right. Fancy that! Here we go again. Find the odd poop emoji. Nailed it! Odd choice for an emoji. Ice cream check. One of these isn't what you'd want to eat. Yep, found it. It has a special topping. Optical illusion. Find the emoji hiding in the mountains. It's the devil emoji. Sneaky. Spot the odd devil emoji. There it is. Looking way too cute to be bad. Pick out the real ghost emoji. Boo! It's chilling right in the middle. Find the ghost that stands out. Got it. Angels now? Can you find the odd one out? Yup, this one missed the memo on halos. Spot the angel among all these ghosts and devils. Aha! There you are, little angel. New illusion. Find the food hiding in this park scene. It's a burger. Yum. Burgers and fries up next. Find the odd emoji. Yep, that popcorn's trying to blend in. Now, among burgers and pizzas, can you spot the odd one? Great! It's a slice of cake pretending to fit in. Another fast food puzzle. Find 3 differences in these images. Got it! Perfect! And finally, find the odd cake emoji. Oh wow, that one's just a regular emoji in disguise. Thanks for joining today's challenge. Share your scores below, and if you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button for more extreme quizzes. Ready for another challenge? Choose your next one on the screen. Good luck, and see you in the next video.